Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create a restore point on Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type system restore. Comes up create a restore point, click on it. In here, if protection is turned off, then you just need to turn on guys. To do this, click on config. Select this turn on system protection and select apply and OK. If any drives are turned off, then you just need to select it and select configure and turn on this system protection guys. After doing this, select apply and OK for save changes. Create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protected turned on. It's mean this one turned on. Click on create. Name it whatever you want, but I will recommend naming it the date that you are making the restore point. After typing it, select create. The restore point was successfully created. Now you just need to select close. And if you want to restore back to the restore point we created, then you just need to select system restore. Select next. And you can able to see your restore point listed over here guys. You just need to select it. And after that, select next. You must always restore the drive that contains Windows. The C drive only ready to restore guys. You just need to select next and your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description field below. After that, click on finish to continue the process guys. It will be started restoring. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.